Can't you see they miss you? Your buddies, of course. And why wouldn't they? You always cancel plans last minute because something came up at work again. Sometimes they even wonder if you want to hang out with them anymore, but they have no idea how hard it is to manage it all. And come to think of it, do you even have an idea of why you're handling all of it on your own? It's not that you don't want to join them for the weekly boys' night, it's just that you can't. You do honestly miss them, and they miss you. And your world-famous guacamole, especially Dave. And you know how much Dave loves your trademark guac. Don't you deserve to spend time with your friends? Don't you deserve time away from work? You deserve a flexible solution that can help you achieve all of this and more.